If you're just having a baby, I want you guys to be prepared for postpartum shedding. This is going to be just your body trying to normalize itself from the hormones. And also, too, as well, if you are breastfeeding, just be prepared and ready to have diffused thinning and shedding. Majority of the time, you're going to be affected primarily on the edge line. That's where postpartum tends to do most of its damage. I would definitely recommend continuing your vitamins, especially if you are breastfeeding. Just make sure that it's still your prenatal vitamins. I really wouldn't start adding on additional vitamins unless you go to your primary care physician and they advise you to do so, or just make sure that it's safe while breastfeeding. You're typically going to go through this hair loss and on the edge line, extreme loss for about 12 months after the baby is born. So usually all of that hair regrows in, but it just depends on how severe your postpartum shedding is. I would definitely work with your practitioner to at least merge some of your unstable locks on the edge line, but just merging as you go so that you can see what the full effects are and you're not just merging locks early. So I honestly would wait to make sure that the lock is unstable, and majority of the time it's going to be the first rows and then it's going to creep into the second one. Normally you traditionally only merge about one row. In some extreme cases it may go back a little bit further, but definitely making sure that you watch out for the lock stability on the edge line. Those would be definitely my recommendations. And after you stop breastfeeding, if you would like to try maybe some DHT inhibitors, those are great to help slow down the shedding. You can also get some biotin to kind of help regrow that hair quick, faster than a hurry, so that you don't have a big appearance difference on that edge line, because depending on how far it goes back, it could go back about 2 rows in extreme cases. Also too as well, during this phase, you're not going to want to apply a lot of tension. I would recommend doing as minimal tension as possible with styles, just so that you're not putting additional stress on those locks or those hairs. Also, I would recommend using edge control during this phase if you're worried about the appearance, so that you can lay down the baby hairs. We do have edge control available. It's called B Tang Edges. I just wanted to throw that out there, you guys. So you definitely can get some of that and throw it on the edge line and kind of design it, with some little baby hairs up until the hair is strong enough and full enough for you to actually reestablish those locks. Take your time. It's okay. Everybody goes through this. Your body already been through a lot of changes by being a blessing and bringing a baby into the world. So just forgive yourself and take it very easy, and don't stress about this. It will come back. It will grow back. Just utilize that edge control in the meantime, and just, enjoy your baby bundle. Hair is simply just hair. It'll come back.